The display right behind me is an open display, so everybody can use it, no login required. Let's have a look how we can use the user profiles or activate the user profiles. First of all, I will switch to my RDM environment. So what you see now is I'm logged in my RDM environment, and this is the display right behind me. First of all, you will notice here a new button, or the button has changed. From now on, this button is called Manage Access. If you hit that button, you will be able to activate the user profiles. If you activate the user profiles, you have a second choice, and that's how you want to configure the guest button. You want to set a pin code or no pin code. In this case, I will go for no pin code, save settings. So, and from now on, the settings have been pushed to the display right behind me. Before we can go to the next step or show how this works on the display, we have to also manage our user profiles. So there's a new tab here where you can add all the users that you want to allow access to on displays. In this case, you see that I already prepared myself in this list, but in case you want to add new users, you just need their name and email address. Once you have saved this profile, the user will get an email notification to confirm his or her account and to set a password. Here you can decide either to activate or deactivate or not activate immediately the account. So the user will get only notifications once you activate the profile. The next step here is that you decide which displays should the user have access to. So you can immediately import a group of displays or a specific or a few devices that you want to select individually. So you have both choices. Okay, let's have a look at the display. At this moment, the display is still unlocked because we don't want to disturb people that are working at the display when we activate the user profiles. On a reboot, of course, the display will be automatically activated within the user profiles. What you will notice is that a logout button has appeared in the side menu. So if we log out from this user or the guest account, you will get to the default login page for the display. If you hit the login button, you will get the QR code. I will take my phone and open a QR reader, scan the code, go to the website, indicated website, confirm, and you will notice that the display will log in to your account within a second. All right, so from now on, if I go to i3 Whiteboard and I open a new file, or I want to save this file, let's say, in the cloud, I can add my cloud storage. Let's use OneDrive. Again, I take my QR code reader, I scan the code, go to the website. The website will link this to your account. You have to add your password, of course, your Office 365 account. That's done. I have to confirm here. Security-wise, fingerprint. Accept the connection. Confirm. And from now on, you will see that my OneDrive will be connected to my user profile. So that means not only on this display, if I save this file, just like this, save. So the file that I'm working now on, that will be saved on my OneDrive. This file will be also available on all other i3TOUCH displays that are enrolled with user profiles. So if I have access in another room to another display that is also enrolled, I will be able to open the same file in another class or meeting room. So that's a very big advantage of the user profiles. So your cloud services will be linked to your profile, so you don't have to do the login procedure that I've just done again. When you've finished your meeting or lesson, you have the logout button at the side of the display, so nobody else will be able to see your confidential information. Keep in mind that user profiles are an optional feature. If you don't need them, everything will keep working as usual. But user profiles makes i3M even more powerful and secure than before, and they are a great added value for you and your end users. With this update, i3RDM has become even more useful for IT administrators. A new display can be enrolled in i3RDM by scanning a QR code. It's easier than ever to provide remote support, and IT administrators will be able to manage all the new security features. Stay tuned, because we will continue to improve the user profiles and add more capabilities to them. I encourage all of you to sign up for i3RDM today and try out the user profiles feature.